Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Florence and the Machine buckle. And buckle up now, we're gonna play downstrokes, and that is what's going on here in this song. Not too many chords, but you're just gonna work and chew on that bass strings pretty much all the time. Let's go into it. And you can see no need for a cable here. Why? Because we're going to work with just bar chords in this one, and we have 5 different bar chords. So let's go into it and dig deep up here in this position to get the B chord. You have a bar now on the 7th fret. You push down all strings there, and then you need to add 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. That's the B. Okay, we're gonna go into the F sharp next. Why not? Because it's the same grip and you have now the position on the 2nd fret. So bar finger on 2nd, everything there else follows there. So you're gonna push down all strings there on the 2nd fret and then add 4th A, 4th D, and 3rd G. That's the F sharp chord. And let's continue that same grip on this position. It's the A now, and you place the index finger on the 5th fret, all strings there, and everything else follows. So that gives us 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. So you see the power there of having bar chords. It's the same grips still. So B, F sharp, and A the same. Now we're gonna learn the G sharp minor. So it goes in this position. So you place the index finger on the 4th fret now, push down all strings, and the grip is almost the same. 6 on A and 6 on D. That's it. And then we have the last chord. It's the E. I said all chords are bar. It's not, because this is just a standard. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. And there we have all the grips needed. Now, we're going to learn the strumming pattern. It's about 4 downs. If you grab the first chord B, it goes like this. Okay, so notice I'm trying to separate the downs from each other. So we're going to play on the bass strings like this, on the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down. But the 3rd down, I try to go down a little bit in the mid, higher area down here to get the higher strings, okay? So, slowly. Okay, that's how you handle it. Now, let's go into the first verse, and you're gonna play B4, E4, so pretty long jump up to this position. And then we have the G sharp minor 4 and F sharp 4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together like this. So 2 rounds of that, that's the first verse. Then at 50 seconds in comes the first chorus. So that's where we are. And we're gonna start to play B4, E4, G sharp minor 4, and F sharp 4. In the same way as to play the verse for 1 round. Okay? And then you're gonna play the E2, the F sharp 2, the A3, and F sharp 1. And then you go back to play a verse play, which is the B4, E4, G sharp 4, and F sharp 4. And that is the chorus. So to summarize the chorus, you start in the same way, and the verse play B, E, G sharp, F sharp. And that is also how you end that, but in between you're gonna play E2, F sharp 2, A3, and F sharp 1. So that is the first chorus. Then you jump back to the second verse and play that exactly the same way as we just learned. B4, E4, G sharp 4, and F sharp 4 for 2 rounds. And after that comes the bridge part, okay? We had hit that at 2 minutes and 4 seconds in. You're gonna play the G sharp 4, E4, A4, and F sharp 4, okay? And that is the bridge part. Then after that comes the outro parts, and that is to just go through the chords. I'm just going to mention them. It's to play the B4, E4, G sharp 4, and F4. So that's a verse play. And then you're going to play E4, F sharp 4, and G sharp 4. And you play that for 2 times. So again, E, F sharp, and G sharp. And then you have the final parts left here. It's the E2, F sharp 2, A3, and F sharp 1. And then B4, E4, G sharp 4, and F4. Lot of letters and numbers there, but I think you get the idea. It's a very straightforward song, guys. You have these 5 chords, and you just chew on the bass strings pretty much with all the numbers you got there. And that's it. That's how I handle the song called Buckle from Florence. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tune.